साइकोलॉजी ना, जिसको पाकिस्तान में लोग जेस्टाल्ट कहते हैं, you know, it's a gestalt is a it's a school with many famous psychologists like Max Wertheimer है, Kurt Kafka है, Wolfgang Kohler है, but you have to understand that the very word gestalt means form or according to some translation whole, complete. अच्छा, इसके अब कुछ प्रिंसिपल्स हैं. जो मोस्ट क्रिटिकल प्रिंसिपल है क्लोजर प्रिंसिपल. ओके, अगर आपको वो पिक्चर याद हो, so this is from the Gestaltian school. This is very famous psychology. Like you see a complete. There are no eyes. But there are no hair. I mean, but you see a complete, a tendency to see a whole, when the whole does not exist. See? I say, what have I drawn here? स्क्वायर भी हो सकता है, विंडो भी हो सकती है. अगर हम स्क्वायर को ही मान लें, you saw a complete, it was not a complete square, there were gaps. What have I written? You should be. What is the first? T.
A dash.
T.
Able to read this.
Able to read this. You should be able to read this.
You should be able to read this.
ये लिखा हुआ है मैंने.
Sir, possibly. Maybe the.
Remember turn off the engine. वकास क्या लिखा हुआ मैंने?
अभी उसमें तो आपने लिखा turn off the.
वो उसको छोड़ दो. मैंने like objectively मैंने क्या लिखा हुआ?
You should be able to read this. I think.
U का spelling क्या होते हैं?
Why are you?
Why are you?
O कहाँ है?
Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks.
Objectively I've written y dash u. आपने इसको u पढ़ा. You made a complete where a complete didn't exist. Have you seen that many movies like French postmodernistic movies, if you have such disposition, you'll see they leave a very vague ending. You see, you're very uncomfortable. You say, यार ending नहीं हुई, because क्या closure नहीं मिला. Often people talk about in relationship, यार death of somebody, I didn't get the closure. ये word हमारी normal language का हिस्सा है कि यार so there objectively it's sh dash u, but everybody would. So ये जो o है ये आपके अंदर से निकला है. ये जो E है यहाँ पे वो आपके अंदर से निकला है. आपने एक complete बनाया because there is a need to see a complete where there is no complete. You see a need to see a whole where there is no whole, से rather WHOLE. ठीक. So बात होता है even Indian कुछ बॉलीवुड के दो मामला कहते हैं यार ending. Have you ever experienced the need for closure is so strong कि आपने अपने दिमाग में करते हैं कि अच्छा उसके साथ ये हो गया होगा, उसके साथ ये हो गया होगा. Yeah, because of the strong need of closure, which in a nutshell means you see a complete where a complete does not exist. Now, how is it relevant to you? Most critical, आपके लिए सबसे critical, number one, get be number one. Decision making. ये केस में अब आओ, ठीक? अली साहब, आप मीटिंग चेयर कर रहे हैं, ठीक? आपके साथ लेट्स सपोज 2 तो ये हैं और 3 और लोग हैं, ठीक? At the end of the meeting, you say, so we agree that this would be our next, XYZ would be our next plan of action. Now, nobody has said yes, and nobody has said no. Everybody is quiet. But because of this, you say, okay, thank you very much, the meeting is off. Assuming that everybody has agreed. And in the next meeting, you are furious. Have you read the case?
Yes.
You're furious. Like, I thought we agreed. I thought, so who's at fault? He is angry, like he's yelling. I thought we agreed that. Did he sort? So as a manager, you have to individually, you don't fall trap. Awareness is the first step. Don't fall. You saw the power of disclosure? This can happen. This is just an example to show how it can happen in an. Why organizations are meeting after meeting after meeting with no results? Because as a manager, what you shouldn't do is like, let's say, okay, so we agree or don't agree. If there's no answer, don't walk away with an assumption, because there's a trap of closure principles. There's a glitch in the software. So what you will say? आप कहेंगे वकास साहब, आप एग्री करते हैं? yes and no. If yes, then he, इसको कहते हैं साइकोलॉजिकल कोऑप्शन. अब ये कह चुके हैं सबके सामने, ठीक? देखो होता क्या, लेट्स से अगली मीटिंग में आप जी है वो बाहर जगह कहेंगे हमने तो कहा ही नहीं था, ये बंदा तो मतलब सो आप पे आएगा कि ये आपका मैनेजमेंट स्टाइल ठीक नहीं है, ठीक? सो आपने क्या करना है कि अच्छा, अगर अब जब आप इन्हें कहेंगे, प्रोब करेंगे, हम ग्रुप थिंक पढ़ेंगे तो माइक्रोसॉफ्ट या IBM जैसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बोर्ड मीटिंग में डेविल्स एडवोकेट बिठाती हैं, जस्ट टू इंश्योर डेविल्स एडवोकेट कि जो लोगों से मतलब जो डिसएग्री करना है उसका काम होता है. ग्रुप थिंक एक सेपरेट कॉन्स्ट्रक्ट है, बट थोड़ा सा आपने शायद सुना भी, ठीक? सो आपने पूछना जी, इफ यस, if maybe he say no, then why no? Maybe he has a resource constraint, maybe he's a personnel constraint, maybe he's a coordination constraint with some other department. Then the issues would be surfaced. This can be linked to the progression of feeling. Yes, most of the meetings, people, why they say quiet? Because they don't want to say things that are true, but so linkages बन रहे हैं पहले सेशन से, ठीक? So closure principle की first application है decision making, especially in meetings when people, most of the managers say so we agree and nobody says yes objectively, nobody says no. यहाँ आ जाए अब ये सुनिए. But the manager falls into the trap of closure principle and says things, assumes that everybody has agreed, and in the next meeting the manager is angry because he said, I thought we were agreed, and again nobody says anything, and again there's another meeting. So second is closure principle हमारा होता है, remember what is gestalt, a whole, ठीक? Complete is जो आप जजमेंट बनाते हैं सिलेक्शन, स्पेशली सिलेक्शन इंटरव्यूज में. I'm gonna run a little experiment here. Can you see it? नजर आ रहा है जी? Can get number 1 है जी, engineer, individual attributes, engineer, intelligent, team player, confident, result oriented, ambitious. ये इंडिविजुअल एट्रीब्यूट्स हैं, ठीक। सिमिलर, बिल्कुल एग्जैक्ट, फ्रेम टू फ्रेम सेम एट्रीब्यूट्स हैं, ठीक। राबिया,
Yes, sir.
आपका जॉब है टू सेलेक्ट फ्रॉम वन ऑफ देम। नाउ we are amongst learners, okay, so let's be frank. When you look at candidate 1, when you look at candidate 2, although the individual attributes are same,
She's
what feelings are, if the individual attributes are the same, you should feel the same about them.
Yes.
But do you? Why? What? Like this?
She seems more confident than the previous one.
Do you agree?
Positive attitude.
What second key KLP was perception is this is one mostly important for our uniqueness and distinctiveness. Okay, what makes me unique from you and you unique from Alisa. So you see her as more confident, but because he's an engineer, female engineer. But you know, some biases are there. So the when you see the whole human being is in front of you. We're not computers. That अच्छा ये algorithm की तरह हम नहीं run करते. So a female, let's say in a country like Pakistan, ambitious. How do you feel? So okay, who would you select?
Sir, कोई भी choice तो कर लिया.
दोनों के individual attributes तो ही ऐसे हैं, but when you see the whole,
Sir, फिर male. I select.
why?
नहीं confident तो था लेकिन इसलिए कि engineering की field है और ये ज़्यादा
He's young. He's very young.
Lacks personality.
She's experienced. What was the biggest flaw with Oliveira? What
He
was
was
his
very
biggest mistake? We were jumping the gun, but
He was very
some more young था.
or lack of experience.
yes. So to cut the long story short, क्या feeling आ रही है इसको देख?
Experience.
ये तो मैंने आपको प्राइम कर की है ना अभी. So you get the message. We see when the whole is presented in front of us. Yeah, there is subjectivity creeps in about in selection interviews. Like a woman, engineer, ambitious, or maybe a woman, engineer, maybe give her a chance. So there's no right answer. That is not the KLP. The KLP is that when you make a complete picture, despite individual attributes being identical, so there is a chance of making a type 1 or type 2 error. Okay, false positive or false negative. It's because of your subjective opinion. Okay. Now the world is complex. See? So we sort of simplify it by creating a whole image. So the closure principle, the tendency to the forest for the trees. Have you heard it? Sometimes you see the whole forest and you miss the whole you miss the individual trees. The famous proverb, forest for the trees. You see a complete and you ignore the individuals. अच्छा, by the way, आपके शायद उसमें नहीं है, टाइम नहीं है, इसकी एक रिवर्स साइड भी है क्लोजर प्रिंसिपल में. Sometimes you're so focused on in one thing that you fail to see the whole. इसको ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल टर्म्स में कहते हैं फंक्शनल मायोपिया। लाइक आप अपने डिपार्टमेंट में इतने engrossed होते हैं that you fail to see the complete organizational picture. एक कंपनी फेल हो गई, ठीक, एक ही केस स्टडी थी, एक केस था छोटा सा। अच्छा, सबसे पहले मार्केटिंग फाइनेंस के आदमी हैं, उन्होंने कहा जी हाँ जी कंपनी में तो बिल्कुल ठीक फ्लॉ हुई, इनके कैश फ्लो डिसरे में, लिक्विडिटी इश्यूज हैं, बुक्स आर आउट, ठीक है जी। मार्केटिंग का बंदा, उन्होंने कहा जी सेल्स ऑफ द चार्ट एंड टच पॉइंट्स का इनको पता नहीं, आई डोंट नो इन्होंने सेगमेंटेशन सही की नहीं हुई, अपनी टारगेट ऑडियंस के वैल्यूज वगैरह का पता ही, ठीक है जी कंपनी फेल हो गई। You see, then the HR go, okay, there's so turnover is this much, this high churn rate, morale, attitudinal survey, there's an attitudinal survey with such a low morale, how can you, this company was bound to fail. So all of them agreed that the company failed, but they were seeing from their prism functional myopia. At its peak, functional myopia can lead to a phenomenon called cannibalization, जो कि पाकिस्तान में हुई थी। जैज एक ज़माने में मोबिलिंग से बड़ा ब्रांड बन गया था वे बैक, फिर उसको टोन डाउन किया गया और इंडिगो को लॉन्च किया गया क्योंकि जैज वाज बिकमिंग, देयर वाज कैनिबलाइजेशन। ठीक, कैनिबलाइजेशन आपने सुना एचआरएम में पढ़ा, ठीक। So this is the flip. So this was Floyer principle. Decision making, selection, especially in group top level team meetings. ठीक? Now we've all discussed किया आपकी टेक अवे के लिए, जो विजन के लिए, जो प्रीमेसी आपको पता है, रीसेंसी आपको पता है, अवेलेबिलिटी बायस का हिस्सा है। अब जब हम डिसीजन मेकिंग पढ़ेंगे तो अवेलेबिलिटी बायस का दूसरा हिस्सा आपको बता दूंगा। Projection, it's not Freudian projection. It is, let's say I like to dress sharp and professional. आपने Irishman देखी है recently अभी? So there is the two perceptual world clash meeting में इस चीज़ को होता है कि यार you have वो knickers में मतलब Bermuda short, कहते हैं you come in a meeting in a Bermuda short, not in a suit, okay? So